to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today from the Caravelle Ranch Water Management Authority campsite. This is a free campsite along Highway 19 near Ocala National Forest. We actually wanted to stay in Ocala National Forest and just do some primitive or dispersed camping, but we found out that you only can do that when you're sleeping in a tent and not when you're sleeping in your truck. So we didn't want to push our luck, and there are only one or two areas where camping with an RV or truck is allowed, and they were obviously full, also being spring break. So that's why we settled for this for the night. It is free. There are no assigned spots here. You can stay here up to 14 days. You can see there's a couple people here for a while. They're from New York. There's a guy over there, but pretty relaxed. And so if you need a place to stay for a night or two along Highway 19, this is good, but it's fairly close to the highway, so obviously it's not our cup of tea. So we're moving on to another site. Probably going to drive an hour and a half north from here, but as I said, so far pretty much. There is water, but it's not non-portable, and there's a Dixie toilet there for use, and that's as much as it goes in terms of amenities. And I heard there's plenty of dead wood in the forest behind me if you want to start your campfire. So that is it. Hope you liked our campsite review, so press thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to us if you haven't already, and yeah, follow us on our travels across the US and eventually around the world. Bye bye.